So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna start a new series on this channel in which I'm gonna solve various LeetCode problem. So first of all, I'm gonna start with very few beginners friendly problems. So let's start with the series. So as our first question of the series, I'm gonna solve very first question of the LeetCode. So here is the question. The question's name is toSum. So what does the question say? Given an array of integers nums and integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. So we are provided with the nums array and we are given a target. So we have to iterate in each value of nums and we have to look for a combination such that they both add up to the target. So here, first example, we are given 2, 7, 11 and 15 as the values of the array and our target is 9. So if we look for the combinations that add up to the target 9, so we will get 2 and 7 right here. So 2's index is 0 and 7's index is 1. So we have to return 0 and 1. So similarly, in example 2, we have to look for a target 6 and in the arrays with values of 3, 2 and 4. So if you look for a combination of 2 which adds up to the target 6, then we will get 2 and 4. So what is the indices of 2 and 4? So 1 and 2. So we have to return 1 and 2. So in this series, I'm gonna solve every questions in C++ language. So let's get started with this. So I'm gonna take a very different approach and uh, I'm gonna use map. So I'm gonna start with the code and I will explain step by step what does the code say and what is our approach. So let's first initialize a unordered map. So what does a map do? Map stores two values. One will be indices and the second will be its value. So we have initialized the unordered map here. So let's iterate through each values of the nums array. So we will take for loop here. We will iterate till the num size. So we will take one another variable here. We will get help from that, which will be complement variable. So what does the complement variable will store? It will store target minus nums of I. So we are looking for the two combination which is add up to the target, right? So here nums of I plus complement should be equal to target. So let me explain. Nums I plus complement. So we have to look for two values such that they will add up to the target. This is it, right? So this, so we have taken nums I and we have moved it to the right hand side with the target. So that's basically it. So let's write if condition. If map dot, if there exists any complement in map which is not equal to map dot n, then we will return map of complement and the I. So this is it, and we will reinitialize as a I. So that's it. And if there is no combination such that we will get our target, then we will simply return an empty array. So that's basically it. Let's check for test cases. Here it is, it's accepted, and that's it for the video, I guess. That was our first problem of the series. Let me know if you have to you have any specific question in mind that you want me to solve. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in.